This is the first dish served for luck and prosperity in Sri Lanka. No celebration begins without this coconut milk rice. Also known as Kiribath. One pot, three ingredients, and centuries of tradition. I have 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of coconut, and some salt. That will take care of the rice dish. Meat, Lunu Miris, Sri Lanka's fiery relish. Simple ingredients: salt, chili, onions, heat. Start by washing the rice until the water is nice and clear. No Kiribath is complete without Lunu Miris. This chili relish transforms every bite. It has a multitude of uses. Lunu Miris is just wonderful on grilled cheese sandwiches. Try it on a breakfast sandwich, like this fried egg sandwich. That's gonna be amazing. For a quick measure of water to rice, using the first joint of my finger is where I would have the water for regular rice, but double that when cooking this Kiribath. We want the rice a little soggy, and put about half a teaspoon of salt to this. Give it a stir and put it on medium to high heat on your stove. Now let's make the Lunu Miris or chili relish. I'm using shallots. You can use onion here, finely diced. I put about half a cup, a good pinch of salt, and I added about 2 teaspoons of dried chili flakes to the mix. So I start off by pounding the onions a little bit with the mortar and pestle. Not too fine. It's okay to have some texture. Back to the rice and give it a stir. Make sure there's nothing sticking on the bottom. At this point I can add the ground chili. I removed the seeds. These were dried chilies, obviously. Remove the seeds, ground it, not too fine. I add about 4 teaspoons of chili in that little container, and in total I used about 2.5 teaspoons. It's almost done. All we need to do is add about a quarter slice of lime and just extract the juice in there and give that a mix. The rice is getting nice and soft, but not quite there yet. Let's put a lid on it, speed up the process. Let's give this a taste. Could do with a little more salt, and that'll be just perfect. It can't be any easier than this. That's Lunu Miris done. Now that the rice is soft, it's cooked through, let's add in the coconut milk, a little at a time. Give it a mix, and then add in a little more coconut milk. Make sure that the coconut milk is absorbed by every grain of rice. I've used about 1 3/4 cups of coconut milk. The rice is looking good. It's nice and soft. It's binding together. At this point you can put it into a tray or any dish that you might have, maybe 2 or 3 inches deep, so that it can set and you'll be able to cut it into squares or diamond shapes later. I'm just going to place it into a mold and do a presentation like this. Now we'll set it aside, and the dish is ready. Here I have the Kiribath, the Lunu Miris. I also have some shredded coconut, and to the right of the Lunu Miris I have some mung beans that have been soaked and boiled. So a very delicious breakfast, and that's my breakfast today. Lunu Miris, boiled mung beans and fresh coconut. Simple, nourishing, and deeply Sri Lankan. Kids really love the taste of this Kiribath. That's a wrap, folks. Once again, thanks for cooking with me. Jeed's Kitchen is all about simple, comforting, and delicious food. Cooking and sharing recipes from my kitchen to yours. Like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell icon for more videos like this.